Today, we are going to solve a very interesting question from algebra, based on linear equations. The question is, there are chickens and goats on a farm. The total number of heads is 50, and the total number of legs is 140. We need to find how many more chickens than goats are there. Now, for solving this, we have to form equations. First, let us assume number of chickens equals C, and number of goats equals G. Now, since each animal has one head, the first equation will be C plus G equals 50. Next, chickens have 2 legs and goats have 4 legs, so the second equation will be 2C plus 4G equals 140. Now, to make the equation simpler, we will divide the second equation by 2. After dividing, the new equation becomes C plus 2G equals 70. Now subtract both equations. We get G equals 20. Now substitute G equals 20 in the first equation. We will get C equals 30. So, the number of chickens is 30 and goats is 20. Therefore, there are 10 more chickens than goats. This is how we solve such problems using linear equations. I am giving you some questions for homework. Do practice them in the same way and comment their answers. I will check them.